guys, in today's video I'm going to be doing a simple flip cup using some really pretty fall colors. So I'm just going to go ahead and get started. Hey guys, so I've got my gloves on and I am ready to go. I am going to be working on an 11 by 14 canvas, and like I said, I'm just going to do a simple flip cup with these really pretty fall colors. The first one that I'm starting with is Alizarin Crimson from Soho, so I'm just going to start with that one first in the bottom, and then I'm also using another color from Soho. It is gold. And then this next color is actually a mix of two cadmium and red light hue. One is from Soho and the other one is from Liquitex Basics. I just had a little bit left of the I think it was the Soho, so I just mixed it in there with the Liquitex Basics. So, and then the next one is Folk Art White Pearl. And the last color that I'm using is Phthalo Turquoise from the Fine Touch. And all my colors are mixed with my Liquitex, my pouring medium, which is Liquitex pouring medium, Floetrol and water. And I think I'm going to add a little bit more of the gold. This is such a pretty gold. I like this one a lot. And I think one more layer of the crimson, and then top it off with the one last layer of white pearl. Hey guys, you are just in time for the dried result of this crazy looking painting. I am really on the fence about it. It's just really crazy looking, but I love all the detail, and I love how the gold has created like a layering effect of the colors. So I really like that. There's such cool detail up in here, actually throughout the whole thing. I've got some awesome lacing, I've got these cool bubble-like cells, and then I've got like some regular cells also throughout. So I like it, but it's just, like I said, just sort of a crazy looking piece. But I love the colors. So there it is, all dry. And don't forget to like my video, subscribe to my channel, and share this video as well. Thank you guys.